This tutorial video demonstrates how to use tags with Istoriam records. Any Istoriam record can be assigned one or many tags. Tags are principally used to assign to different records a common attribute that can be used later to create filters or other record manipulating tasks. To see how tags are used, let's consider the following timeline. The timeline consists of two groups of records, blue records which are assigned a blue tag and red records which are assigned a red tag. Let's edit one of the blue tagged records and switch the record management window to the extra views. The tag attribute is the first on that view. For our example timeline, the record has one tag assigned, one named blue tag. When one of the red tagged records is opened, the record has a different tag assigned to it, one named red tag. Note that anytime a new tag is created, the application will automatically create a filter for that tag value. Opening the filter management window, you can see a My Tag category, and under that category you can see the two filters, one for the blue tag and one for the red tag. Applying any of the two filters, the display view will display either only the blue tagged records or only the red tagged records. Let's now review how to create a new tag and assign it to a record. Let's do that by creating a new green record and assigning it a new green tag. Start by adding a new record, give it a title such as green tag 1, set some date, change the color to green, then switch to the extra view. At this point, the record tag attribute is empty. To add a tag to the record, click on the plus button. The tag management window will appear. You can see the two tags already used in the timeline, the blue tag and red tag. To create a new green tag, click on the New button. In the window that opens, enter the name of the tag, green tag, and then click on the Add button. The new green tag is now listed. Select the tag and click on Select. The green tag is now assigned to the record. Save the record. Checking the filter management window now, a new green tag filter have been created. If that filter is applied, the application will display that new green record only. Note that the application will only save the tags that are used with at least one record. So tags cannot be created and not used with at least one record, as those tags will not be saved in the database. Multiple tags can be assigned to a single record. For example, a purple record can have the two tags, blue and red, assigned to it. Start by adding a record, give it the title purple record, change the color to purple and switch to the extra view. Click on the plus button of the tag attributes. In the tag management window, select both the red and blue tags, then click on the Select button. Save the record. In this case, the application will not create a purple filter as no new tag was created. However, if either of the two blue or red filters is applied, the purple record will be part of the records displayed. Finally, to remove one or more tags from a record, select the tags in the record tag table to be removed and then click on the minus button. Note that a tag cannot contain non-alphanumeric values or a space. Non-alphanumeric values and spaces used with tags will be automatically removed by the app.